Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account with GetResponse. So you're going to see a button below this video. You just click on it and then it's going to take you to this page. All you have to do is click on sign up for free. Okay, so here you're going to enter your name, all right, email, and then strong password, right, and create account. Okay, so the next thing you need to do to activate your account, click the email we've just sent you to osmanmurabi@gmail.com, right? So just go to my Gmail, and here's the email. All right, so activate my account, and here you go. You do need to fill your address, your zip code, city, state, and your phone number, and then you click on save and continue. All right, else it won't allow you. So I've just entered my detail, and then you can just click on maybe later, take me to dashboard, and your trial expires in 30 days. So take the to explore by yourself. You're just going to click on explore by yourself, right? So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a list and how to create an autoresponder. So see you in the next video.